Hey guys, I'm here to show you our sensory tub refill for January. So this is what we're going to put in our tub. If you had water beads, you can dump those out, dry it out. You definitely want to make sure your bucket is dry before you put in our new materials, because some of it are shredded like paper pieces, and if it's still wet from water beads, it might kind of get yucky. So you have a separate bag inside, and then this is kind of your fill bag. So you can dump out the big stuff in there, and you'll see it's kind of like white and silver. It's shiny like snow. So there's paper pieces, there's glittery silver styrofoam balls, and there's some fuzzy, shiny white pom-poms. So this is kind of like our snow fill. It's not really cold like snow, but it's white, wintry, kind of mix of colors. In this bag, you'll find, you guys have an icy, wintry branch. I did not get myself one of those, but everyone has some wood logs. So you might have like 3 or 4 of those. Everybody has almost some between 8 and 10 snowmen, probably. Was not quite enough for everyone to have 10, but everyone has a good bit of snowmen. So I have some snowmen. They're little foam snowmen. And oh, I had a 4th log. And then there's some snowflakes. So there's some small snowflakes and big snowflakes. So there's some opportunities to use words small and big. They are white. Work on those color words. White, silver. And then this month I made you guys a fun sensory tub scavenger hunt. So this just kind of gives you some ideas of some play and some activities that you can do with the bucket with your student. So the first one says, how many logs do you have? Can you count them? And so then at the visual, how many, and then the picture of the logs. So I would count my logs. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one says, can you make a pattern with your logs and snowflakes? So this would be pulling out some of your items. So I have log, snowflake, log, snowflake, log, snowflake. So I'm working on making a pattern, kind of incorporating some of those math skills. And then another one, making a pattern with the silver balls and the white pom-poms. So you can go white, silver, white, silver, white, silver, and keep going. Another question says, how many snowmen? So again, how many? And then it starts your snowmen. Can you count them? So you can pull out your counts. You can count them in the bucket, out of the bucket. 1, 2. You can also, depending on what your student's working on, you can limit the number of snowmen. So when you're working on counting, you can put some in and take some away and help them count those different sets of numbers. Then there's some kind of using those directional words. It says, can you hide a snowman under a log? So I put the symbol under in there, and then the snowman and the log. And then the next one says, can you put a snowman on top of the log? So using our words under and on top, so you can have your log in your bucket and say, put snowman on top, and put a snowman on top of the log. Then says, can you put a snowman under the log? Oh, snowman's under. You can also play some hide and seek. You can hide the snowman or the logs. You could hide, hide a couple snowmen. You'd say, can you find the snowmen? And I can't see them right now, but then we practice digging around. Oh, I have 1, 2, 3. Let me see. I don't see any more. I found 3 snowmen. So again, lots of opportunities for play with this sensory bucket refill for you. Again, you have logs, snowflakes, you have a little icy branch. And then the pom-poms that are part of the fill are also fun tools that you can use. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, this is working on those play skills, working on language, direction following, those positional concepts. You can really do a lot with this, even though it seems like, this might not be a learning activity. It is. We can learn and do fun things with play. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you guys enjoy.